Okay, this is our tent, Paddle for the Cure. And this is our merchandise and support. That's Johnny and Anne and James. Okay, that's our hat, that's our things. That's our james. Nice stuff. Oh, madam, look. Morning. Oh, sure. Why not? Thank you.
Yeah, well, this meditation, I'm going to a monastery.
Majestic Dragons lost Irene Hudson, a warm and caring individual, who was a member of the team and who, for a short period of time, really we felt her effects of warmth and caring. Against the Wind, Sarah West, Annie Espinard, Hope Afloat USA, Marion Valtone, Busta Move, Sharon Rosani, Yasmin Galizara, Tricia Morris, Patricia Newshart, Leah Kawantra, Linda Kim Hill, Eileen Lynn, Gracie Women, Cindy Baker, Bucks Fury, Carol, Munich Rigg, Cheryl White, Magdalena Parvo, and Sheena Smith. Thank you for joining us for the moment of reflection and remembrance. Will all breast cancer survivors join us at the waterfront to participate in the ceremony? If you were unable to get into a boat, we still want to see you up there. Will all Majestic Dragon team members proceed to the docks if you are not on a boat? And we invite all others to join us at the lakeside to be part of this glorious, touching ceremony. Those of you who have paddles and are not out on the water, please bring them with you as you come to the lakefront for the ceremony.
special.
Do you want to go on the boat? At that point, just sit on the boat. You know? She had her surgery an 8-year-old. I didn't know
Ken, do you need flowers over there for that boat? Does everybody on the boat have flowers on boat 4? Flowers up, please. Okay. This boat still has room for breast cancer survivors to be in the boat.
So my best friend from growing up, 3rd grade on, we're only 52. She got breast cancer 9 years ago.
Wow, it's a good race. Look at that. Neck to neck. Wow.